इस भोली जैसी शक्ल पे मैनिपुलेशन दिखता है। ओह क्यूटी।
मुझे वो तंदूरी खाने का मन है।
क्या तंदूरी खाने का?
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world.
This is the last day. We're leaving today at like 12 and it's I think 8 something, and I wanted to go out and meditate somewhere peaceful and nice, so I've like come out and I'm searching a good place to sit and meditate. Let's see if we find something. Be with me. Usually not. This is the place I've come to. I'm gonna go deeper into the forest I think, and let's see if I find some place to sit. There are people there, although this was a good spot, but I don't know. Let's just see. I'm quite scared. I don't want anybody to harm me, and there are a lot of people here. I don't think anybody will, but like I will be screwed. I don't know where I'm going and I'm not finding a nice spot. So it's annoying. Should I go there where they're going? Or should I just take an alternate path like where Sudakshi and I went before? This is just a forest place. I want something where I can see the view. I'm just walking and it's a trek. Like I cannot find a non-trekking place, but I don't know where I'm going. I just want to find a good spot. Okay, let's keep searching. Found a spot. This is not bad. I like it. Let's just meditate. I think I found the graveyard that Anju was talking about. Shit. I meditated a little bit and now other Divyanshu is coming, so I have to wait for him a bit. I think I found a good view though. I'll go there and find a view. Not a bad view. It's a good view. Pretty. I don't know where to sit though. Should I sit there or should I sit here? I have to wait for the Divyanshu, but I want to walk ahead. I found them. तुम लोग भी क्या ऐसे वॉक करते करते आ गए? There's a graveyard there.
Is there?
Like if you go.
इधर से?
हाँ. Hi. अब मुझे दिव्यांशु को लेने जाना है और मैं पता नहीं कितनी दूर हूँ. देखते हैं. He's fucking there and we don't know how to go. Oh, he found a way to cross the fence. Cheat code. Good job. Let's go. Hi, Q2. What's up, Q2? Okay. Sweetie. Look at her. That's such a nice house. This fucker is making me walk again. The same.
Me?
Yeah.
You know, I just woke up
Actually,
and
I
I
did-
came after 5 minutes.
Because you didn't come at night. Because you got late. If we left,
It was
if
not
we
my
left,
fault,
no,
okay? It was not
if
my
we
fault.
left at when I asked, are we going at 9:30, and we wouldn't have said let's go at 12, we would have gone outside.
Obviously, and the people when they come to check our rooms, we'll be obviously
You
fucking over
just be,
here
you
also.
just be like, yeah. I mean, I was in the washroom. Yeah, what the fuck? Or somebody would have called you. We would have come in 2 hours. That's not true.
The thing is, sociopaths and psychopaths are that they can talk to people.
Say
चल
hi.
मैं आ रहा हूँ इसमें.
अच्छी जगह मिल गई थी. I have vlogged पूरा where I'm telling कि he slept on me, and then I came halfway, and then he came.
Who slept first?
Because you didn't call me.
No, not about the night. In the morning. Who slept first?
Diana did.
Yeah. That calf.
Cute too.
It has ear cups.
I want ear cups. And there's a little baby. So sweet. Hi. He's shy.
Man.
Are you a sheep? If you were a sheep, what would be your
I'm not a
name?
sheep. I'm a goat. Okay.
Okay, good. Okay.
I started.
I am big. I go to the gym. I have a big back.
Okay, miss.
Back getting bigger. I want a sheep like. I want to carry one to home.
In the campus.
No, to like home. But my mom will throw me out. Maybe she'll keep the sheep while she'll throw me out.
Two animals would not be allowed in a home now.
Probably not. And I will definitely be the bigger one. And less entertaining.
At least.
Sheep will like talk more.
Yeah, the sheep will be actually more productive than you, I think so.
No, I'll be in my laptop most of the day. She'll like entertain my mom more.
Yeah, more productive to the house.
Yeah, that's true. We're somewhere random and look at this. Just look at this. So pretty. Stakshi,
Yeah.
do you like mountains? Are you a mountain girly now?
Yes.
This is where we are sitting. This is the view. It's kind of cool. हम तेरे फोन में
ज़्यादा
सुंदर क्यों लग रहे हैं?
मुझे अपने से डिप्रेशन हो गया तो अपने आप को देख के अभी ठीक है.
Okay, so what should we talk about?
Okay.
Let's talk good philosophical shit because we're at such a nice pretty place. We'll make sit 5-10 minutes, click good pictures and go. And then eat something. This has been a very fun place though. I was not expecting it to be really great. I thought ऐसे छोटा सा कुछ तो भी जगह होगी, but it's actually really nice. And if you're coming to Patni Top, you should definitely go to Skyview. We've been there yesterday and we had their people for trek and they were really, really helpful.
Yes.
It was so nice and they were like entertaining us the whole time and they were like doing shairis and somebody was rapping and they were showing all the spots where they can click our pictures. It was
And
so
they also
cute.
gave us free food.
Yeah. One of the guys gave me free bhed puri. I was gonna ask him if I should pay him, so Takshi was like, don't do that to him.
Yeah, it will hurt him.
He was cute. He was a cute guy. He had nice muscles. He like took his shirt off and was like showing off his muscles. Like he was wearing a tank under it. So
I
he
didn't
just,
see that, so
Yeah, because it was only me and two other guys
two other
in the
guys.
middle. Yeah. Kshitij.
I would like to think that he was stripping for those guys.
And how's just life feel here?
Life feels just peaceful. Like I don't want to return to IIM Jammu because the environment there is so competitive, so stressful. Like back there I always stress about things that I have to do good in life, I have to be better. But here, like my
It's
mind,
calm.
my mind is in a state of nothingness. Like no thoughts are there in my mind.
Because it's a very the air is also very fresh.
the vibe
I
here
think,
is also
very
good.
fresh. I used to hate Jammu and the whole college thing when I came here, but I've kind of started liking it now. And I feel like I'm being more productive because I'm handling a lot of the IIM stress and hecticness with other so many things I'm doing and like all of the plans I have, and it's going pretty great. It is competitive, but I mean like it's kind of fun, and the way we're learning to deal with things is actually really it really is growing you as a person so much more. And like if I was at home or I was not in such a strict college, I wouldn't have been able to find ways to grow myself so much. So that's actually really nice.
But it's nice to have a weekend where we don't have to think about all these
Yeah,
things.
and I love that they're pushing us to do
Yeah.
like different things. Like we went to do zip line and adventure sports yesterday. If I came with my mom, she would have been so scared. She would have like, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं करने की, वापस चलते हैं. And then I had that mindset growing up, kind of, that be safe, don't hurt yourself, and like you don't have to do this and whatever. But because of here and because of the group activities and they're like doing the trek and shit, I never got that environment of like being sporty as growing up. And I love that they're pushing us to do it, because I think I am a very like, oh, let's do adventure sports and let's go on to everything, let's push myself, and like whatever scares me, that's exactly what I want to do. And it doesn't even scare me, like it's exciting, it's almost just, it's so fun. Like if anybody has suggestions for adventure sports or you want to go along with me, let's go, hit me up.
Yeah.
What else? क्यों मिलों के फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, कैसे बताए कि तुझको पाए.
मुझे भी तंदूरी खाने का लग रहा है.
क्या तंदूरी खाने का मन है? तंदूरी,
सारी चीजें,
तंदूरी लेग्स, तंदूरी नाइट्स. और मैं सड़क पे नाच रही हूँ चूतियों जैसे.
एंटरटेनमेंट हो जाएगी
भाई, वो तो मुझे देख के ही हो जानी चाहिए.
ये सब क्या क्या है? ये अब गाड़ी है. मुझे कुछ खाना है पहले.
नहीं,
क्या आप मुझे मसाले वाले और आप रोस्ट चाउमीन बनाते हो?
सिर्फ वेज है ये लोग.
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है.
I will have. They're so nice people. There was like no place to sit here when we came to eat, and they were like, "Do you wanna like sit inside?" And some of the people who were sitting outside got up for us and then let us sit. So that was so sweet.
मैं तो दुनिया की अच्छाई में इसीलिए बिलीव करती हूँ. मुझे दुनिया बुरी जगह लगती ही नहीं है.
दुनिया बुरी है ही नहीं. Are you eating? This looks yummy. Thank you भैया. चाप बहुत पसंद है ना तुझे? We met this like cutie people from Jammu. She was so helpful. She was so sweet.
Yeah.
उसका नंबर ले लिया हमने. She will be our guide to Devpindi. तू कितनी सुंदर लग रही है, मुझे तुझसे प्यार हो गया है.
क्यों ऐसे? मुझे नहीं पता, तो मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर रही है. ओके, क्या सबको मुझसे प्यार हो जाएगा?
पर वो मुझे उनसे प्यार हो गया यार, वो कितनी क्यूट थी.
अच्छा, तो उनके बारे में बोल रही थी.
मैं तुझसे भी बोल रही हूँ, मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे
वो
उनसे
बहुत प्यारी थी भाई.
है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा. They were like so helpful. They were like, they told us so many places and they were like, number ले लो, and we were like, I will be happy to guide you to Devpindi, and cutie people.
नज़रों में तुम हो बस
क्या नाम है आपका? यहीं रहते हो आप? और घोड़े का क्या नाम है? शेरा. हाय शेरा.
नहीं, झूठ था, मतलब उनको भगाने के लिए.
क्या हुआ, फिर से बता स्टोरी.
कुछ नहीं, आना भी हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए गई थी, तो मैंने मना कर दिया था उनको कि मुझे नहीं जाना. तो फिर मैं बैठ के अकेले वेट कर रही थी, तो ऐसे 5-6 हॉर्स राइडर्स आ गए और सब ऐसे लड़ रहे हैं कि किन के साथ ये जाएगी. मैंने बोला भी नहीं है कि मुझे जाना है, और फिर वो बोले कि चलो.
क्योंकि तुम हो ही इतनी सुंदर.
मैंने बोला भी नहीं मुझे जाना है, बोलने लगे चलो चलो चलो. फिर मुझे एक झूठी कहानी सुनानी पड़ी कि बचपन में मैं एक घोड़े से गिर गई, तो मुझे बहुत तेज चोट लग गई थी, इसी कारण मुझे अभी डर लगता है, मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी.
इस भोली जैसी शक्ल पे मैनिपुलेशन दिखता है.
और फिर एक भैया भी आए कि ज़बरदस्ती क्यों कर रहे हो इनके साथ, और फिर सब चले.
ओ, फिर तुम उनके साथ गई, हैप्पी एंडिंग हुई. Oh, I love fun. कितने का है मीठा पान? 30. ओके. तेरे को खाना है?
पान मेरे कल्चर में एक्चुअली लाइक कल्चर का बहुत इंट्रिंसिक पार्ट है पान.
I love pan. And when I go with my nanu, he's like लड़कियाँ नहीं खाती है pan.
नहीं
I'm
मेरी
like मैं तो
सारी
खाती
नानी-
हूँ.
मेरी नानी मेरी दादी खाती थी बट उनके दांत सारे खराब.
We got a shawl for my nani. And we saw pretty suits we might buy tomorrow. So Sakshi wants to buy a suit and wear it to class.
Will it be over?
I mean, depends on the embroidery. Like the pink one and blue one will be over, but if you buy like a two-piece one, it might not be that good.
Looks so I'll buy jutis.
Okay. So pretty.